Iri ta njira ya kunyihia mitino ya barabara iria ikoretwo ikihanika icigo ngurani guku bururi-ini na gucugirira ikuo cia andu makiria maigana rimwe mweri-ini uyu. Ruhonge rwa guthingata uigiririku barabara-ini NTSA nino nyitithitie thinga birigeceni ya gutigirira mawatho ma barabara ni marumirirwo. Kuringana na obithaa munene wa NTSA gicigo gia gatagati wa bururi Jackson Mutua, birigeceni ino ni iguthii na mbere gutigirira mawatho ma barabara ni marumirirwo.
We have noted that most of the vehicles in this region don't have the valid road service license and inspection sticker, both PSVs and even tourist vehicles. One of the tourist vehicles was driven by a drunk driver, and we detained the vehicle because we could not allow the driver to drive the tourists.
Idono riu Mutua ni ugite matereba maria mekunyitikana na mahitia ni mekuirwo ikinya irumu ria kiwatho.
We have also noted we have a lot of PSV drivers who are driving while drunk. NTSA has a zero tolerance to drink driving, especially for PSV drivers. When you are a PSV driver, you are not expected to have consumed or to be smelling of any alcohol. And that is a major challenge in this region.
Mutua ugite birigeceni ino ni imwe ya makinya maria ruhonge ruruete kuona uigiririku barabara-ini ni wagacira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njitagwo Kariuki wa Wachira.